Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to London. Let's go to the airport. Hey everyone, so I'm in the duty-free section of the airport. I just found my gate and made it through like passport control and security and everything. So I'm really excited because I'm doing a solo weekend in London this weekend, and I haven't done a solo weekend since 2019, I think, in Vienna. I think that's the last time I was like doing a trip fully alone. And I was just feeling like I needed to do it, and it was like a really spontaneous decision I made yesterday. So let's go to London. Just made it to my room for the weekend. I got a single room Sonder this time, and it is so cute. The sun is just coming in, and I don't know, I just think that the decor of this hotel is so nice. I have a little TV built into the wall. I have a full-length mirror to do outfit of the days. My tiny little closet area. I already hung up my jacket. I got my towel. Cute little desk, and then the bathroom is right here, which I love this Saunders bathroom. It's like this beautiful marble. It is so gorgeous. I don't know, it just feels like a spa bathroom, and it feels kind of like the apartment that I lived in back when I lived in London. And so I'm just really happy. I'm charging my phone because I need to get it charged, and I would actually like to leave the hotel relatively soon, so I'm gonna change and do a different outfit and kind of explain to you guys my plan for the weekend, why I'm here, etc. Hello guys, so I'm in the bathroom now and I'm doing my makeup, just like quickly touching it up. I changed into this shirt, which is the shirt that I'm going to be wearing tonight. I'm going to do my makeup while I talk to you guys and kind of explain why I'm in London this weekend and like what I'm up to. So first of all, I love London. It's one of my favorite cities in the entire world, and I was lucky enough to live here earlier in 2022. And I loved it so much. So I'm here this weekend. I wanted to try some new stuff this trip. I'm going to a lot of new restaurants, which I'm proud of because I have some favorite restaurants in London that it's really hard for me not to go to, but I know that London has an insane number of amazing restaurants, so I'm gonna try several new ones this go around. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. It's like a solo weekend in London. I haven't done a solo trip since 2019, so it just feels really cool but weird, and like it's a good feeling, I think, to be on a solo trip because you can do whatever you want, you can eat whatever you want, your plans are totally your own. The place I want to go to dinner tonight is called Asa, I think, and it's a Korean restaurant. It looks amazing, and I heard there's sometimes lines, which is why I'm trying to go a little bit earlier. So I think I'm pretty much ready. I'm gonna touch up my eyeliner, do a few more tweaks, and then I will be out the door for the evening, first evening in London. On this evening, I went to an amazing restaurant and I got some really delicious food, as you can see here. And I just had a lovely little date night with myself. I was just thinking a lot and reflecting a lot over the past few months of moving to Germany. And I started just thinking how grateful I am that I have the opportunity to see such amazing cities and to travel and really just explore in my 20s. It feels like a really exciting chapter of life. And I started reflecting a lot on my big move to Germany and how language played such an important role in that move. I've been taking language classes with Lingoda since I lived in London in 2022, so for over a year now, and I honestly believe that if I hadn't taken those classes before I started my job and before I moved, I probably wouldn't have had as much of a smooth start, especially just with simple things like going to the grocery store, going to restaurants, being able to read street signs and everything like that. So I find it super convenient to schedule classes. Some days I like to do it in the mornings before work because there are 24/7 classes available.
and other days I like to do it on the weekends when I have a little bit of free time. I can spontaneously book a class, or you can pre-book ahead of time, so it's really whenever and wherever you are in the world. I think I have taken classes in 4 different countries now, and my favorite program that Lingoda offers is their sprint program, where you can either take 15 or 30 classes per month for 2 months, and if you attend all of your classes you can get either 50% or 100% cash back, and you can use my code, which is on the screen here, for money off of your initial deposit. I still have some ways to go until I'm fully fluent in German, but I'm really proud of the progress I've made, especially over the last year, so thank you so much to Lingoda for helping me get closer to achieving my language goals.
Hi everyone, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I just finished getting ready for the day. Decided to go with glasses today because my whole skin and hair and eyes, everything is like super dried out from the plane. So I was like, I'm not even gonna bother with contacts today. I'm gonna go for this studious London look today. And I slept in this morning because I'm still getting over a cold. Yeah, today I'm gonna go to brunch first. Hopefully I can get a table in there, just get like a quick brunch, get some vitamins, get some sort of like fresh pressed juice. Then I want to make my way over towards Notting Hill, just like walk around Notting Hill. I love Notting Hill. Maybe go to Portobello Road Market, maybe some bookstores, just like have a really nice stroll. And then there's a cookie place I want to try called Creme that's supposed to be kind of like Levain Bakery, and I would love a good like chocolate chip cookie, so I'm gonna try to hit that up. Then I will make my way towards the city center. We will see what the day brings. I also could just imagine having a chill day and like walking around. Guys, I really like can't even express how much I love London. It's one of my favorite cities like in the whole world. I just feel so like in love with it here. There's just so much to do, but I also feel like just walking and just seeing what happens like is like my also ideal definition of the day. So yeah, anywho, I'm gonna go and start my day now.
I started off my Saturday by going into the city center, and I stumbled across this absolute gem of an English breakfast spot. I made a reservation the day before, so I would definitely recommend doing that. You can skip the line, but the reviews were really good. I was very intrigued. I sat in this little area by myself, and I started off with not one but 2 drinks. I got a fresh pressed orange juice and this berry smoothie that was really good. I just wanted to boost up on the vitamins, and then I got the traditional full English breakfast with a side of smashed avocado, and this was incredible. It was so good. Everything had really good flavor. I would highly recommend this spot. And then I made my way over to Creme to try their famous cookies.
All right, verdict is really good. I feel like this one could have been hotter and it would be way better. It's not as sweet as Levain Bakery. It is very tasty, and the inside has this like warm gooiness, but I would say Levain Bakery is better if I had to choose.
There are truly endless museums, exhibits, shows, musicals that are on my London bucket list, but this frameless exhibit did not disappoint, and I think the clips speak for themselves. this exhibit was so cool. And if you have any other exhibition or museum or show recommendations for London, please feel free to comment them below. I feel like there are countless things to do in the city, which is one of the reasons why I love London so much. But after my time at this exhibit, I just went and walked around the city for a few hours, just kind of exploring until I got hungry again, and I wanted to go get my first Sunday roast experience. So I went to Maggie Jones. This did not disappoint. I had such a great experience at this restaurant. It was so cozy. I loved the decor. I loved the whole candlelit vibe at my table. I had a cute little table for one. This meal felt like a scene out of a movie. The restaurant interior was just so beautiful and unique, and I started off with some bread and butter while I could look at the view outside. It was kind of a rainy day in London, so I was just enjoying my meal. I ordered a tomato soup, and this was the best tomato soup that I have ever had in my whole life. I don't know what they put in it, but I read reviews for this restaurant that the soups were really good, and the reviews are right. The soup was amazing, and this was my Sunday roast. So I had some veggies, I had a pork belly, I believe, and everything was delicious, and I already want to go back. But this was my Saturday in London. It was a short trip, but it was so much fun, and I got to try new restaurants and explore new places in the city. So please let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like these. But thank you so much for following along on this London adventure, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!